Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of the FedEx reusable sturdy pack. You don't see these very often. They're basically the equivalent of the letter size FedEx reusable envelope. You'll notice this has two pieces of adhesive so you can ship something and have it sent back. You also have that on the sturdy pack. So when you're shipping it to your client, you take off this adhesive up top. You then bend it over and you send that, and then they're going to open this up and rip this little tab right here to open it. Then they take out the document, they put their John Hancock on that, and then they put it back in, and then they put the lower adhesive, and then they close it back up, and this line, this pre-folded area, that's what will be the new edge once they rip it open. So basically, this is your letter. This is a letter size envelope, except it's thicker, and you're paying the rate of a pack instead of an envelope. And an envelope is about 20% cheaper than a pack. But you can actually put a lot more in a pack than you can in an envelope. So in some ways, the pack is actually one of the best deals because you can put up to 50 pounds in a pack, whereas you can only put up to 10 pounds in an envelope. It's actually very difficult to put 10 pounds of stuff in an envelope or 50 pounds of stuff in a pack. So basically what that means is you don't ever have to weigh anything if you're using one rate. And this is something that FedEx has rolled out recently. I'll just show you what's inside. Pretty basic. I haven't measured this, but it looks like it's about an inch when it's fully expanded. And it goes down to the bottom and kind of comes together. You can kind of fold this out and almost turn it into the size of a box, but then you might as well just use a small box, except the small box is not as long as the pack. So the pack has another couple inches there, inch and a half. There aren't a lot of use cases for these, but this is the only pack that is sturdy. The other three are the Tyvek, the small and large. Large is, again, basically legal size paper. This is letter size paper. It's the same size as a standard FedEx envelope. And then you have your padded pack. So I like these, and you can use this and just put it on there like that. You can see the instructions there. And one other little tip is anytime you're using anything with the new material, the recyclable material, it doesn't stick quite as well with the adhesive. So you want to put shipping tape on top of it to kind of double tape it just in case. So just that's a key little tip. If you want to make sure they don't pop open, because there have been more reported cases of these boxes, especially with the adhesive not sticking well enough and popping open and then stuff falling out. So anything that has the old-fashioned white surface, that does stick well, but the new recyclable material doesn't. And so that's just something to be aware of. But yeah, check out my other videos for more details on these packs, the pricing, and all that stuff.